Hello everybody, Chef Archie Pie here. Welcome to my latest food video clip. So today I'm going to make Chili Crisp Fiesta egg muffins using the very popular Chili Crisp oil. Everyone's raving about this at the moment. And I'm also taking the fabulously easy and so tasty dish, an egg muffin using the muffin tray, and obviously eggs as the principal ingredient. I'm going to add some exciting ingredients to that too to make it even more interesting. So the egg muffins are going to suit lots of different situations. My daughter's asked me for them in her lunchbox. I quite like them just to sit and eat. Great for breakfast, great to reheat the next day, great to even pop in between some bread. So let's have a little look at what we're going to use. Obviously I've got some Chili Crisp oil there. I've got some corn and some chorizo and some mushrooms and onions and peppers. I've pre-fried the vegetables there, you see. I've got some eggs, I've got some beautiful fresh chopped parsley, and I've got some grated matured cheddar. The muffin tray you see there has been pre-oiled with a combination of regular oil, olive oil, and a little bit of Chili Crisp oil. And those are the ingredients we're going to use. Obviously, I'm going to take you through it. It's very, very simple. Let's look at the Chili Crisp oil, shall we? It's not spicy. I must tell you, it's not spicy at all. There is heat there. It's wonderfully nutty. It's wonderfully savoury. I believe the word people use is umami. The ingredients are mostly chili and soybean oil. They also add onion and garlic. They add some flavour enhancer in the form of MSG. There's a little bit of salt, sugar and pepper in there too. It's a fabulous ingredient if you can get it. At the moment, everyone's going crazy about it. I love it on lots of things. But let's crack on with this dish. I'm going to beat my eggs. Don't forget all the ingredients in their quantities will be in the description below. So I'm going to beat like crazy my eggs, and here are my ingredients. I'm going to first of all put a little bit of corn in each muffin cavity. I'm just using some regular canned corn, and then after that I'm going to put in some of this wonderfully cured Iberico chorizo. Not a great deal, just about half teaspoon. Then I'm going to put a half teaspoon of Chili Crisp in each cavity, and as you can see I've already divided the vegetables out as well: peppers, onions, garlic and mushrooms. And now I'm going to put some cheese in, and then after the cheese I'm going to pop a little bit of parsley in there as well. I love fresh parsley, wonderful ingredient. And now I'm going to fill each one with beaten egg. There are recipes out there that use cream as well. I've got lots of eggs, I don't have any cream, I just want to use eggs, so I'm going to do that. So obviously fill each cavity up with egg. You'll need around about 10 eggs for this, and if you've got any cheese left over, let's pop a little bit of cheese on top as well afterwards. So pretty much that's how easy it is. I want to pop some lovely pepper over there as well, because I do love black pepper on everything. So I'm going to get my pepper mill out shortly and pop a couple of twists of pepper in each cavity, and you can see the Chili Crisp oil floating to the top, and it looks fabulous. So once you've done that, we're going to pop it in the oven, and we're going to cook it for around 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. The temperatures will be in the description below along with the ingredients. So as you can see, pop that in the oven. Hopefully your muffin tray is non-stick. I'm just using a regular metal non-stick muffin tray, and as you can see, cooking beautifully, and the egg will rise up. I don't know why I touched that then, but there we are. The egg will rise up beautifully, standing proud in the muffin trays. And now I'm going to take it out 15 to 20 minutes, and look at that. It really looks fabulous. It's a proper dish that can be celebrated in a variety of situations, as I've mentioned before. But look at the colours going on there. Such a lovely, inviting, aesthetically pleasing dish. I'm now going to cut one open. I want to show you what's going on inside. Almost like a little miniature omelette. Look at that. Look at all those things. The corn and the lovely way, the fluffy egg. And I'm even going to be really naughty and drizzle a little bit of extra chili oil on my muffin. Look at that. And when I ate this, the noises of appreciation and the murmurs coming out of my mouth were rather, well, let's just say it was a bit embarrassing. I had to cut that out, or else it would have been quite funny. But listen, there's the dish. It's a fabulous dish. I'm so proud of it. It's not difficult. Do it with the kids. It's one of those dishes that you can play around with. You can do all sorts of things with. You can variate it in any way you want. Lots of different ingredients, different cheeses. Do it with the kids. I love it. As I said, my daughter wants this in her lunchbox. Whether she gets it on its own or in between a bread roll or a wrap, I don't know yet. She hasn't quite decided. But there you are. If you've had great fun today watching this video, please do subscribe or even share or even like. And if you want to find out about my next clip, then press the notification bell. This is Chef Archie Pie, sending everyone lots of love. Do take care of yourselves, and I'll see you very, very soon.